Show me how to catch a ground ball.
I gotta get really closer.
Show me how to catch a pop fly. Show me a regular ball. Show me a dive ball. Ready? Ground ball. That's not how you catch a ground ball.
Why did kid it? Mom!
Good job. Pop fly. You gotta watch the ball. What do you do before you throw?
Mom!
Regular ball. Bam! Dive ball. Dive ball. Dive ball. Whoa!
I broke my thumb.
Yeah. Pop fly. That one was up there.
I need to squish the ball.
Ground ball. Ground ball. How do you catch a ground ball?
Yeah.
Yes. Pop fly. Good job. Ground ball. That's not how you catch a ground ball. It's going to go between your legs every single time if you catch it that way. What do you do before you yell?
No.
Ground.
We practiced. I got it.
Dive. Bam!
It's starting to rain.
Okay. We're not going to melt. Yell.
Mom!
Good job.
Do a dive
Dive,
one.
dive, 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 dive. Come on.
Mom, this is a little big on the bat now.
Come on.
I put this catching.
Yep, in a little bit.
Oh! Let's play.
Bam!
Oh, right in between. Mom.
Ground ball. How do you catch a ground ball? How do you catch a ground ball?
How do you catch a ground ball? How do you catch a ground ball?
Mom.
Good job. Ground ball. How the motherfucker do you catch a ground ball? Ground ball.
Oh! Mom.
Ground ball. Put your hand over it or it would have fell out. Ground ball. Oh.
Where did it go?
Good job, Bryson.
Pop fly.
What?
Run, 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 run.
Whoa.
Ground ball. Run, run, run.
Run.
Bryson, run to get the ball.
Oh, Mom! Pop fly!
Pop fly.
Wow.
I'm going to go higher with them, so watch it. Pop fly.
Oh! If you want to put your hand in that.
If you would have put your hand over it, it wouldn't have fell out. Pop fly.
Rainbow! There's going to be a rainbow.
Where's the
There
rainbow?
should be somewhere.
Mom.
Pop fly. Bam!
I got a big pop fly.
It's starting to be good.
Pop fly.
I didn't dump that.
That is on video, so you'll laugh a couple times.
It's raining.
Ground ball. How do you catch a ground ball? How do you catch a ground ball? Tear it up. Sis.
What?